Hey everyone, my name is Vish and in this video I will show you how I create this beautiful project of mine. It's called the flexible emotion detector. So before we go any further, let me explain the three things. First, I trained two models. First is face and second is speech, and third the text model I import using a transformer using a Hugging Face. So I can do both. I can train my models, also I can import a model through a Hugging Face. So in this project what we will do, we will feed a video, and according to video the three detection occurs. First is face detection, second is speech detection, and third is text detection. After a face detection, when a speech model running, we extract a audio only, then the speech model works. And the text, after the audio extraction, a text extraction done by the text model. After these three models done loading, and then give you a beautiful results. Let's now start it. Before I go any further, once again I'll show you the input types and the models. We have the face model, speech model, and text model. First let's start with video model. Video input. Here let me go in video 1 2 3. Here, let's click analyze. It will take around 30 to 50 minutes because the three models are loading at the same time. That's why it will take some time. And also the face models is too big to load and take some time because of CNN. The face model, I use the LMST using a CNN model network to train using a facial data. And as a speech data, we use every speech tone wavelength according to that level. And the text is pre-trained. I got a pretty good pre-trained model. So click the running. Model is running. Now we have our results. Here it is. The face is angry, model detect the angry, and the speech disgust, and the text is neutral. And with the percentage of 31, 99, and 80.1. Let's see the transcript. When I want to listen to you, there's my pretty obvious. Now let's see the video and then judge the model's result.
Harvey, I am sorry, all right, but I need you to listen to me now.
Listen to you? You know when I would have listened to you? That night.
Jessica threatened me.
I don't care. Anyone comes at you with any threat at all, you come to me. I don't give a shit if it's the Queen of England. You come to me, you tell me everything. That's what goddamn loyalty is.
So the Harvey face looked very angry. So our model predict very best results, and the speech also best because the Harvey wavelength is same as the disgust wavelength. That's why our speech model returned the disgust with the 99.9, and the text is 80.1 because the text is obvious pretty good neutral. So now check the next video. Let's feed the another video in the Insta. This video is short, so I think it takes little bit time, around 20 to 30 seconds. Once again, the face model take lot of time. Now these two model take only 10 to 20 minutes, but the face model take lot of time because they go every frame. They take every frame, detect every frame. That's why it takes too long. Model still running. Let's here I show you my backend until the model is running. Here is our main pie, the main front end part of this Streamlit. Here it is. So the main part is backend.py. Here I import every model, and every model detect and then return the results. Here is a video to audio model. Here is our video to audio. Here is our audio to text. So I think our result is ready. Here it is. So this video detect our model detect the neutral, speech fair, and text angry. There is video. Let's see the video first, then then judge.
Why do nice people choose the wrong people to date?
We accept the love we think we deserve.
Can we make them know that they deserve more?
We can try.
So the boy face is neutral, and the speech is fair, and the text is anger. As you can see, because the wavelength of boy is matched to fair, and the text is angry because he asked the question of that person. Look very angry. Why do nice people choose the wrong people to date? We accept love. Here, this is the transcript. It's obvious to return angry, and the face is neutral because boy make the neutral. In the end, they make the happy face, but probability is neutral. So let's deduct the face model and try these two models, and let's same video. I know I'll give you the same result, but I'll show you if we deduct any of these models, you get a result. Here the fair, angry again. Now feed the only audio and test the speech and text model. Here is my recording. Analyze. This is my audio I record earlier, and the model pretty quick. Here is our results: a speech fair and text is joy. Now transcript go. So first let's listen my audio, then we will judge my model.
Before I go, I am so happy to announce that I have something new project to show everyone. And today in this video or in this lecture, I will show how I create happily machine learning apps. So let's go. Before I go,
So speech is fairy wave match as a fair, and the text is joy. I'm so happy to announce that because the happy word, sometimes new project, show everyone today's I will lecture you. These kind of work makes the model predict faster. And now let's test only raw text. Check the text model. Here is I want to be happy, control, and then click analyze. I want to be happy. Pretty obvious joy. So that is my project is flexible emotion detector that can detect three type of emotions based on three type of input: face, speech, and text, and then they will decide the emotion of yours. That's it. This is my pretty good model.